In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete reviews on Steam. If you've left a review that's outdated, no longer reflects your experience, or you simply want it off your profile, this walkthrough will guide you through the exact clicks to remove it cleanly. First, open the Steam client on your computer, or head to the Steam website in your browser and log in. Make sure you are signed in to the same account that originally posted the review you want to remove. If you use both the desktop app and the website, the process is effectively the same, so choose whichever you prefer. Once you are signed in, go to your profile. In the top right corner, click your profile name. Then select View My Profile. This takes you to your public profile page where all your activity, including reviews, is organized. On your profile page, look for the Reviews tab on the right side. Click that to open a list of every review you've posted. You'll see the games or products you've reviewed along with your original rating and text. If you have a lot of reviews, take a moment to scroll and find the specific one you want to remove. When you've located the review, click directly on the thumbs up or thumbs down icon or on the text that says recommended or not recommended. That click opens the review edit window. This is where you can manage the review itself inside the review edit window. Click the delete button. Steam may prompt you to confirm. Go ahead and confirm the deletion. Once you do, the review is removed from your profile and will no longer be visible to other users. Keep in mind that deleting a review is permanent. If you think you might want to keep your thoughts but just adjust the wording, you can use the edit option instead before committing to deletion. But if you are certain you want it gone, delete is the right choice. A few quick tips to wrap up. You can only delete reviews that you personally wrote. Here is no way to remove someone else's review from a store page. If you don't immediately see the change reflected on your profile, give it a moment and refresh sometimes. It takes a short while to update across the app and the website. And if you use multiple Steam accounts, double-check you are on the correct one to find the review you are targeting. That's it. Thanks for watching.